This is Marvin Gilig. Did you know that Misamis Oriental has 72 waterfalls? Yes, you heard it right. Miz-Or is rich in almost all resources, and one of them is the body of water, which comprises 70% of the Earth's surface. To boost your excitement, let me give you some of the many interesting falls you would fall in love with. You may start your venture along Libon Lawit Falls in Poblacion, Hingoog City. Enjoy the foot trails and dive into the majestic waters of Aya Aya, located in Lugait, west of CDO. Or hear songs of birds and experience the beauty of Mother Nature in Sagpolon Springs and Falls in San Isidro, Hazaan. Here you go. Take your pick, but watch out for more. So, what are you waiting for? Pack up your swimming attire and get ready for the summer! It's worth your life to try than not try at all. This is Marvin Gilig, and that's 60 Seconds. See you next week.